So for the homework for today, it's section 4.4, which is page 100. You need a calculator, and we're going to use percent. We're going to do these percentage problems. So it says lamb has a body fat of 62 kilograms. So that represents the whole. After a season of lacrosse, his body fat was reduced from 18% of his total mass to 13% of his total mass, but his total mass did not change. How much body fat did he lose? Okay, so we went from 18% to 13%. So we need to figure out how much we lost. So we're going to subtract those two. 18 minus 13% represents 5%. Okay, they give you a hint right here, 5%. And then to write this as a fraction, so 5% literally means out of 100. So a fraction out of 100 is going to be 5 out of 100. So the mass at the start of the season was 62 kilograms. That's what it said in the question. Okay, so 62 kilograms was what he started with. And he lost blank kilograms out of 62. So that's what we have to figure out. We know that the amount of body fat lost was 5%. So this ratio, amount of body mass lost to the total body mass, is our ratio, and that's 5% lost, or 5 out of 100. And we need to know what that 62 is. So we can make this a fraction out of 6,200, make it a common denominator. So we're going to do 5% times 62, and then we get equals 5 times 100 over 62. So this becomes blank out of 62. So what we can do then to solve this is we want to use our decimal multiplier. So our decimal multiplier is point. Remember that it's 5%, so we need that extra 0. So we're going to multiply then 62 times 0.05. Okay, using your calculator, we're going to get 62 times 0.05, and that gives us 3.1. Okay, I'm just going to write up here 3.1. So this then represents 62 or 5% of 62. So 3.1 is going to be the answer. And we can check that fraction. 5 times 62 is the same as 3.1 times 100. So then we can, the way that they're giving you the hints, we can do lots of different ways, but the way we've been doing it and the way I want you to do in this homework is use that decimal multiplier.